Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, for those who are listening to me from any part of the world, yes, I'm here doing this video because I'm trying to call on the authorities, the federal government, the state government, to look into the issues concerning the siege being laid on Isiukwuato local government area of Abia State. That is actually my hometown, because kidnappers have taken over the forests. You know, we are surrounded by forests in our place, and kidnappers have taken over from Uturu, Abia State University, Uturu, that axis where you have the terrible bad federal road, which has been abandoned, and the erosion is eating up the entire place and entire communities around. And then also from Uzuakoli to Akara Junction, for those who know the terrain, the kidnappers have laid siege, and every day they continually kill our people, rob our people, maim our people, take them into the forest, and demand ransoms as huge as 21 million. The story is so disheartening, as if to say there's no government. I am particularly pained because I know that I was one of those who led my people during the last elections to vote for the APC government. It was difficult convincing them, but when they saw some of us, they knew that yes, we were in for good and we were not going to mislead our people. Sadly, it's as if we've been abandoned. Is it that our crime was that we voted for APC, where we have a state government that is controlled by the PDP? I don't really get it. I don't really understand why anybody would treat this with kids' glove. I don't really understand. This is a land that has produced generals, men and women, who have served this nation meritoriously. People that deserve to be commended, people that deserve to be protected, people that have sacrificed even their lands for the army school. You know, we have a 148 battalion, and unfortunately these guys are terrorizing my people and nothing is being done. Well, I don't know, because they say security issues are not discussed in the pages of newspapers, but I know that if the authorities decide to rise up to the occasion, this thing will be nipped in the bud. And for those who don't care, for those who think that it's their business, the business of people from Isiukwuato, it's the business of the generals who come from Isiukwuato or the politicians, I want to let you know that if this thing continues, it's going to definitely spread to other communities. It's going to spread to the entire southeast. It's going to spread to the entire south, and I can tell you that nobody will be safe. This nation is under siege. Infiltrators, insurgents have come in, and they have local insider collaborators who are leading them, showing them the pathway, the terrain. Whatever that needs to be done has to be done. I stand as one of those who have done stuff for my community, who have made sure that we contribute our quota to development of the community, to the area, to say that, look, we need the government, we need the army, we need the police, we need the DSS, we need everybody to help us to see how we can eradicate this situation. Otherwise, we are not only going to be consumed, it's going to spread, and it's spreading fast like a cancer. I am telling you that right now our people are living in fear. It's even going to be difficult for some of us to go back home. We say we want to go and revalidate our membership for the parties we belong. Unfortunately, how do we travel when the area is unsafe? When you sleep with your two eyes open? When our women can no longer go to the farms, not harassed? They are being raped and violated every day. We wonder, we ask, what is our sin? What is our crime? That we have been a hospitable people, that our people love people from every other part of the country. We intermarry with people from the north, east, west, every part of the world. And then unfortunately, this is what we get in return. And I'm saying that if this thing is not stopped, if it's not abated, if the authorities don't do that, we are going to resort to self-help. I will personally lead my people. We are going to eradicate this. We're going to fight it with everything that we have. And if we perish, we perish. Thank you. My name is Chief Obiaruko Christy Ndukwe, Adachoroma Ohama 1 of Isiukwuato. For short, Adonha. Thank you. God bless you.